with the crowd make a dent by putting great crosses in. The balance is something we need. Our watches debut by smoking weed. I hope he's good at dribbling the ball. Maybe he can score the odd goal. Patrick Dordogne, Patrick Dordogne, the black little Shaun, the black little Shaun. Can't wait to see him with the ball, 'cause we never seen one with Luke Shaw. We hardly saw him on the field, 'cause he never ever healed. So Patrick Dordogne is really heaven sent, but too much money on him was really spent. But at least in Dordogne we can find some solace. Let's send Luke Shaw off to be tormented by Jesse Wallace. Patrick Dordogne.